Not all ideas come easy, and this one was no exception. I was looking for a perfect design for a fridge magnet, so I embarked on a little search journey hoping to find the perfect one. But everything I found felt too obvious. Nothing truly sparked that creative excitement. Then inspiration struck. Circles naturally create happy, friendly characters. So I sketched a round bellied, cheerful fellow holding a plant pot. He just radiates joy, with vibrant greens and lively floral details in the background. I wanted to capture the essence of happiness and nature. The painting process was both fun and challenging, balancing the colors, adding textures, and making sure the magnet sized artwork still had plenty of personality. And ta-da! There we have it! From a simple idea to a joyful little painting, ready to be turned into a fridge magnet. This round, happy plant lover brings a touch of warmth and greenery, perfect for brightening up any space. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more creative adventures. See you in the next one.